Hey everyone, so today I have a Fashionphile unboxing. I genuinely just received this today and I was so excited to open it. I literally shut the door from the delivery guy, went into the kitchen, grabbed scissors and was starting to open it, and then as soon as I opened it like this, I was like, okay, shoot, I should really do an unboxing video because I want to start doing more YouTube videos, and this is actually something a lot of people like, so I figured, I will save it for you guys. So it is later in the day and I'm going to do an unboxing. I got something I think is really cool. Hopefully you guys will enjoy it. It's something that you can't get anymore. It's an older item. Yeah, I just really like it. If you've never purchased from Fashionphile before, it is a online store. Clearly. They sell used luxury goods like purses, wallets, jewelry, and I think some shoes and maybe some scarves. I'm not sure. This is my third time buying with them. I live in Canada, so although their prices are so reasonable for Americans, you guys are so lucky if you're in the States. The prices are so good. I would have a major shopping addiction if I lived in the States and could access Fashionphile. But I live in Canada, so it is a lot more money for me to buy from Fashionphile. The dollar is like $1.30 right now or something like that. So, and then plus on top of that, I pay customs, which was on this item was $190 Canadian. Yeah, so that with the exchange, it's very expensive, but I still end up buying from Fashionphile because I do really love it, and they have so many items. I'm addicted to this website. You can just click on and go to new arrivals, and literally if you really want, you can refresh your browser and in the middle of the day, in business hours, and you will see new items being added. And sometimes I'll see a really good item I want and I know that it's highly sought after. I've literally gone to put it in my cart, check out, I'm putting in my credit card information, and then I'll click check out, and then it will be denied, and it's because it just sold. So if you see something that you like on this website, it's a place that you got to buy it right away. You cannot hesitate, especially if you know it's something that's hard to get. If it's just something that's quite common, don't worry, it's gonna pop up again. They have so many items, it's crazy. But things that are rare, like this was an absolute instinctual impulse purchase because I knew items like this, and especially I believe what the condition is like. We haven't seen it yet, but are hard to find and sell really quick. This is the type of item that I know would just be gone so quick, so I got it. Okay, so it comes in this cool box. I think this is your receipt. Yes. They're so professional. This website, another reason I love to buy from them is because you just know, I know without any question in my mind that the items are authentic. They are just extremely reputable, and you just don't have to have any cares. So I kind of feel paying that extra money, being in Canada, is kind of just giving me that peace of mind that I wouldn't get from a different seller. Anytime I bought from Fashionphile, I've never even questioned at all whether the item's real or not. So the cool thing about Fashionphile too is they will actually buy your bag back. So they give you 3 or 4 months or something like that to, if you really wanted to, you could use the bag, and then they give you a purchase price, what they would actually buy it back from you from. It's usually depending on how much the bag is. I've had some I actually bought one in the fall, and I think it was 700 something US, and then they just offered me an email and they're we'll buy this bag back for 400 and something. So yeah, you would lose a few $100s, but I guess if you're a person that use that bag a lot, that's maybe worth it to you. So yeah, and you can sell your stuff on their website to cash for your bag. It's a cool website. Definitely, if you've never been on fashionphile.com, check it out. Thank you. They throw little confettis in here. And then so it says use is the new new. Okay, I really hope I don't show my address. It's not gonna be good. So do we really want to open this, or do we just want to pull this out? I don't think it matters, but Oh, they always give you these little like files too, which are cool. So there's confetti stuck to it. And a lot of the bag, like if you check the description of the item, sometimes it says it comes with their original dust bag. Sometimes it doesn't. So if it doesn't come with the original one, Fashionphile puts the item in one of their dust bags. So that's nice. Oh my god, I love this item. So excited. Okay, oh my god, this is an insane condition. Wow. Oh my god, like I have a mirror right here, so I'm looking in the mirror. This looks so good. This is so cute. Ah, I die. This is like so cute. They didn't do it one of the handles is like longer than the other, but it can be adjusted, I guess. Oh my god, this is so cute. This is like too much. Like this is just like ridiculous. Like I just love this so much. Okay, so what is this exactly called? This is the, so they give a certificate of authenticity, and this is the monogram, sorry, the Louis Vuitton monogram Cerise. I don't know how to say it in French. So the cherry. And this one came with the pouchette. I have seen quite a few of these online and I've thought about buying them. Usually the screen printing is in bad condition and like you can see the wear. This one, the screen printing is like pristine. I don't even see, oh my god. Wow, like I don't even see anywhere on this print. This is amazing. Oh my god, I love this bag. So I'm just like over the moon. Okay, wow, this is so flippin' cute. Yeah, so usually I see it and it does not come with the pouch, and this one comes with the pouchette. Oh my god, the cherries. I don't know if this is gonna zoom in because, you know what, hang on. I gotta see if my camera's on manual focus or whatever. Okay, let's try to zoom this in. Okay, I have no idea how to zoom my camera in, and I'm just using this SLR recording for the second time. But this is like unbelievable. This is so, oh my god, like I just can't even get over this. Look at how perfect condition this is in. I hope you can see it. I really hope this is zooming in. If it's not zooming in, I'm going to put in shots. I'll insert some clips. Like, look at the condition. This bag is from 2003. Wow. Oh my god. And the hardware is like virtually brand new. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, it's like perfect. I'm sorry, I'm like oohing and eyeing so much. I had no idea. I'm like, I love it so much. Even like, look at how gold the chain is still. It's not even wearing, it's not showing any wear at all, considering this is so old. This is just, oh, this is too much. This is too much. And then look at, it's all red leather. And you know, a lot of Louis Vuitton bags too come with a cloth interior. So this is really nice because you could wipe this clean if you accidentally spilled. Oh my god, this is just like way too much. I feel like I'm shedding. I've been losing so much hair lately, that's a whole other video. I love this bag so much. I'm just like, ah! This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at the bottom. And there's feet. Okay, check this out. Oh my god, this bag is just ridiculous. Like, I'm sorry, I love it so much. I gotta pause this. Okay. So I adjusted the straps to make them the same length, and I'll show you what it looks like on my arm. Hopefully you can see this. And I'm not too high. I don't know if I'm too close or whatever. Don't mind my outfit. I look like a total nerd. I totally look like such a nerd today. Look at this. This is so cute. This is like a really nice summer bag. I feel like the cherries are very like summery. I guess they don't have to be summery, but I guess maybe I think that because like fruit, you eat more fruit in the summer. I don't know. Oh, this is like just so ridiculously cute. Okay, so I got this mainly to like just keep it because I know that this is going to go up in value because it's like so rare, and like you can't even find this in good shape anymore. Oh, but I just want to use it because I don't think I can resist this bag. This is like the cutest bag ever. I'm obsessed. Like, I'm probably crazy, and I'm sure people are laughing at me thinking I'm a total nutbag because I'm like 35 years old and I like a bag with cherries on it. Okay, so I'll let you guys know the details because you're probably like, shut up and get on with this. So, how much was it again? Okay, so this is their little rule of thumb. As a reminder, for 180 days, you can sell this back to us for 70% of the purchase price. Okay, so this bag cost, it was $1,150 US. The shipping to Canada was $31.97 US. So the total came to $1,181.97 US. And Canadian, oh my goodness, it transferred over to $1,605 Canadian plus 190 customs. So basically $1,800 Canadian. Which is like honestly a lot of money for me to just spend in like so fast. Okay, so how this came about too is there is the cherry blossom design by Louis Vuitton that used to be around, I think in the same kind of era this bag was. And so I forget what the exact bag was called. I seen one of those come up and I was just curious, like, it said that one of the parts had been replaced, but it looked like mint. It looked brand new, but I don't know, I don't even know why, like I hesitated at all. But on the bottom it had a piece of the fabric or the canvas and it just, the pattern doesn't match up. So I was like, is that the part that's been replaced? Like, is that how they all are? I don't know. So I emailed Fashionphile and I was waiting for the response, and then I got the response the next day. And then by the time I got the response, I clicked back on that listing and it was sold. And I really wanted that bag, and I'm so stupid because it looked brand new. So I guess they had the handle replaced, and honestly I think they even had like the handle and like most of the leather replaced on that bag. And the screen printing was in perfect condition. So I regretted not getting that bag, and I was like, you know what, I'm not letting that happen again with any kind of rare like screen printed bags that are still in really mint condition. So I just jumped on this one. I definitely don't regret it. I love it so much, but that's how it came about. And yeah, I don't really have anything else to talk about. I'm just like really over the moon about the condition of this bag. Like, this is crazy. This bag must have never been in the rain ever. The scary thing is, like, where I live, it rains all the time. It rains like 70% of the year or something like that. I don't know. Excuse me. This bag is like adorable. It's made in France too. It comes with a zipper inside and the pouch. Like, oh, and then look at, you even get like, doesn't it seem like the older bags almost have more to them? Like they put more effort. Like, look at, you get this area, like just a slide in pocket, and then you have a zippered pocket. Like, that's so nice. A lot of bags, I don't know, I don't own a lot of their bags, so I don't really know, but it just seems like they don't really have that many options. And then you get this, like, I guess you don't want to hang that outside, it looks silly. But that in itself is like so ridiculously cute. Oh my goodness. Like, and I feel like this is worth it because honestly, like online, I see these type of things. Like this would end up being, I don't know, like 700 Canadian. I'll see them for like around 500 or 450 US listed, I think. So that alone like is quite a bit of money actually, and then to consider you get both, it's not bad, I guess. It's expensive, but whatever. Okay, I'm gonna shut up and wrap this up. I really hope that you enjoyed this Fashionphile unboxing. I'm so happy with this bag, and I've been extremely happy with my other two purchases from them too, and that's the reason I buy from them. Like, a lot of other websites, I'll kind of find it will say excellent condition, or it will even say like new, and then I zoom in on the pictures and I can see that there's like watermarks, there'll be like scuffs, there'll be like wear on the corner, but yet they state the condition is like new. So I just feel like, I don't know. And what I found with Fashionphile is they'll be like, very good. And then they'll put like all this stuff. There'll be like scuffs here, scratches, tarnish, or like all this stuff. Like make it sound so bad, but you'll look at the pictures and like zoom in and it's like so perfect. And then you get it and it's like flawless. But the thing is, what they do is they over critique it so that when you get it, there are absolutely no surprises. So like if you found something that's like so microscopic, you basically can't complain. Like I guess like see even here, there's like the tiniest water spot, like so minimal. And there's like the tiniest scratch, which is like nothing. Like nothing. But they make it like sound so drastic. But then so when you get it, I think you're just like way more happier. Like it's way better condition than you even thought. So I like it how they do it that way. That way you're never disappointed. You're actually always happier, which is probably why they're doing so good. So yeah, for used bags, I don't think there's a better website. They're just awesome. Anyways, my name is Danielle. Please be sure to why can't I talk? Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate that. Please give me a like and a comment. It really helps. It helps to let me know what you think of the videos, and then it also like helps people to see my videos. I think my last video I put up was so sad. I think I have like, I don't know, like 15 views because I haven't put up a video for such a long time. And it's like really, really discouraging and like so sad. Oh my god. It's yeah, so if you could just please like and subscribe, I'd love that. And let me know what you guys think about this bag. Do you have any prints like this, or do you like this type of print, these old prints from Louis Vuitton? Yeah, let me know what you think. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.